Do you use group chat for Messenger and wish there is an easy way to delete a group chat? So in this video I will show you how you can delete a group chat. Simply click on a group chat. Now click on eye icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Here you are seeing leave chat. Click on it. Now it is saying choose an admin before leaving the group. So for this, what we have to do, simply go back, check the members. So what you have to do is simply first you have to remove the members. Click on it. Remove from group chat. Click on it. Remove from group chat. After removing the members, what you have to do is simply click on your profile and click on leave conversation. Click on leave and click OK. Go back. Now the group has been removed. So in this way you will be able to delete a group chat. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.